Practicing English alone? No problem. Okay, so you want to be like fluent in English, right? But finding a language partner is harder than finding a decent avocado at the grocery store? I get it. It's like everyone's either too busy binge-watching Netflix or they just don't understand the struggle. But guess what? You don't need anyone else. You can totally rock this whole English thing solo. And no, I'm not talking about some boring textbook stuff. I'm talking about actually fun ways to practice that will have you speaking English better than ever. Let's get started. Channel your inner chatterbox. Talk to yourself. I know, it might sound a bit odd at first, but hear me out. Talking to yourself might seem a little extra. You might feel a bit silly or even self-conscious. But trust me on this. It's like the easiest way to practice because you're always there for yourself. No awkward silences or anything. You can practice speeches, rehearse conversations, or just vent your thoughts. Just start narrating your life like you're the star of your own reality show. Imagine you're the main character in a movie, and you're giving a play-by-play of your day. Think about it. You're making breakfast? Boom, I'm making breakfast. Describe what you're doing step by step. I think I'll have scrambled eggs today. Maybe I'll add some cheese and herbs to make it extra delicious. Maybe some avocado toast too, if I'm feeling fancy. See? Easy peasy. You can even talk about your plans for the day or reflect on your thoughts. The key is to actually think in English, not just translate in your head. This helps you become more fluent and natural in your speech. It might feel weird at first, but the more you do it, the more natural it becomes. You'll start to notice improvements in your confidence and fluency. And who knows, you might even discover some hidden comedic talent while you're at it. So go ahead, give it a try. Start talking to yourself today and watch your skills grow. Be your own biggest critic and fan. Record your voice. Okay, so now that you're basically a pro at talking to yourself, let's take it up a notch. It's time to get a bit more serious and a lot more fun. Grab your phone, hit record, and just start talking. Don't worry about making it perfect. The goal here is to capture your natural speaking style. It could be about anything, your day, your dreams. That weird dream you had last night about a talking pineapple. You get the idea. The more varied the topics, the better. Now, here comes the slightly terrifying but super helpful part. Listen back to it. Yes, I know, hearing your own voice can be brutal, but trust me, it's worth it. As you listen, take notes on what you hear. Pay attention to your pronunciation, grammar, and the speed of your speech. Are you speaking too fast? Too slow? Are there words you consistently mispronounce? Don't be too hard on yourself. Remember, this is a learning process. The goal is to identify areas for improvement, not to criticize yourself harshly. But it's the best way to pinpoint what you need to work on. Whether it's your pronunciation, grammar, or maybe you just need to slow down a little. We've all been there. Practice makes perfect, or at least practice makes progress. So keep recording and listening. Over time, you'll notice improvements. Remember, this isn't about being perfect, it's about progress. Celebrate your small wins and keep pushing forward. So don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Try different techniques, play with your tone, and have fun with it. That's how you learn, right? Embrace the process and you'll be amazed at how much you can improve. Okay, this one is my personal fave because hello movie night. Pick a show or movie you love, bonus points if it has subtitles, and find a short scene to focus on. Listen carefully to how the actors pronounce words and try to copy their intonation. It's like free acting lessons and English practice all rolled into one. Don't worry about sounding exactly like them. You do you. The goal is to get comfortable with the rhythm and flow of English. Plus, it's way more fun than repeating after a textbook, am I right? Remember those diaries we used to keep as kids? Well, they're making a comeback, people. But this time, it's all about practicing your writing skills. Don't overthink it. Just jot down a few sentences about your day. What did you do? How did you feel? Did anything exciting or mildly interesting happen? Writing regularly, even just a little bit each day, will help you improve your vocabulary and grammar without even realizing it. Plus, it's a great way to track your progress and look back on all the awesome things you've done. Okay, let's be real. We're all addicted to our phones, so why not use that to our advantage? There are tons of amazing apps out there specifically designed to help you learn English. Duolingo is great for bite-sized lessons. Quizlet is perfect for mastering vocabulary, and you can even use your voice assistant, Hey Siri, to practice speaking. The best part? You can literally practice anytime, anywhere. Waiting for the bus? Practice your English. Bored at work? Practice your English. Eating a burrito? Okay, maybe put the phone down for that one, but you get the idea. See? Learning English on your own doesn't have to be scary or boring. Just remember to have fun with it and make it a part of your daily routine. Whether it's listening to English songs, watching movies with subtitles, or even talking to yourself in English, every little bit helps. Be patient with yourself and celebrate those small victories along the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Keep a journal of your achievements to see how far you've come. You'll be speaking fluent English before you know it. Practice speaking in front of a mirror or record yourself to track your progress. So which tip are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome English tips. Your feedback helps me create better content for you. See you in the next one. Smiling. See? You don't need a partner to practice English. Use these tips every day and you'll see big improvements. Consistency is key. Use these tips every day and you'll see big improvements. Make a schedule and stick to it. Even 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Your journey to fluency is unique, and sharing your experiences can inspire others. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English tips. Your support means a lot and helps keep this channel going. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, you got this.